In this demonstration, you will see how to import data from an Excel spreadsheet into a table in an Access 2000 database. Start by looking at the spreadsheet file that stores the publisher details. Make sure that the column names match the names of the fields in the table. Also, verify the order and data type of each column to ensure that they match the table definition. Close the spreadsheet file. On the Access File menu, choose Get External Data and click Import. The Import dialog box appears. In the Files of Type box, select Microsoft Excel, select the Publishers for Import.xls file, then click Import to start the wizard. The first dialog box of the Import Spreadsheet wizard appears. Make sure that the contents of the spreadsheet are visible and click Next. Since the first row of the spreadsheet contains the column names, select the checkbox and click Next. Select the second option to import data into an existing table. Select Publishers from the combo box list and click Next. In the final step, click Finish. A message appears indicating that the import was successful. Click OK. Now view the contents of the table to confirm that the data was imported into the correct fields. In the database window, double-click the Publishers table to open it in Datasheet View. You see that the data from the spreadsheet has been imported as expected. In this demonstration, you have seen how to import data from an Excel spreadsheet into an Access table.